Today I'm going to answer a question I get asked so many times when I do speed kills. Why aren't you using a Berserk aura? The main answer to this is an item called Berserk Blood Essence. Let's talk about it. So your strength level affects how high you can hit. Assuming you're 99 strength, when you Elder Overload your strength stat is boosted up to 120. Now Berserk aura does two things that we care about. It gives a 10% damage increase, which doesn't work during the Berserk ability, and secondly it increases your stats by 10%. This means that with an Elder Overload and the Berserk aura, you have a 130 strength stat. If you're killing a boss within your Berserk ability, so a kill that is 20 seconds or less, you're never going to benefit from that 10% damage increase that the Berserk aura provides, due to it not working in the Berserk ability. So the only thing we care about is that 120 to 130 stat increase. This increase equates to around a 4% damage increase. This means that if accuracy isn't a problem, it's better to sit with 120 stats and use the Mahjarrat aura for the 5% damage increase that it provides, rather than being 130 stats with the Berserk aura and no damage increase. But we can take this one step further. This is the Berserk Blood Essence. This is a pocket slot item. When activated, it lasts for 20 seconds and has a 1 minute cooldown. This will boost your strength level by 14% plus 2 levels. It's important to note that this can't be used while overloads are active though. This means that if I drink a super strength potion, my stats will go up to 112, and then when I activate Berserk Blood Essence, up to 127. When paired with something like a supreme strength potion, my strength stat will go up to 133. We can also do the same thing with a supreme attack potion for 133 attack as well. Most importantly, this effect can be activated with your Berserk Blood Essence in your pocket slot. You can then switch to another item, such as a grimoire, and the stat boost will stay for the 20 seconds. So if we go back and look at our previous stats, instead of being 120 stats with a 5% Mahjarrat aura increase, we're now able to use the Berserk Blood Essence and be 133 stats with a 5% Mahjarrat aura increase. This is very effective for sub 20 second speed kills and provides a large damage increase. But there is one other thing we can do to push this even further, and it involves using the Dragon Battle Axe. A lot of people probably know of this item and they know what it does. There's actually a few things the Dragon Battle Axe does when you use the special attack. The first is you receive a 10% reduction in hit chance, which we're going to ignore for now. It also has a 1.2 times damage bonus, or a 1.1 times damage bonus during the Berserk ability. This is the thing people mainly use it for, giving a very significant DPS increase for 1 minute. But there's a third thing it does. When you use the spec, it drains all your combat stats by 10%. It then boosts your strength level by 10 plus extra levels depending on how many levels it was able to drain. What this effectively means is that the higher attack, defense, magic and range levels you have, the higher the Dragon Battle Axe spec will increase your strength level. The highest this can boost your strength level to is 120, 2 levels higher than using a supreme strength potion. This is important. To boost your levels high enough to reach that 120 strength level, the best option is a Super Wall Master Potion. This is easier than using separate combat pots to boost your combat stats, and it is tradable. This potion will increase your combat stats enough so that the Dragon Battle Axe spec will raise your strength level to 120. Now when you use your Berserk Blood Essence, instead of going up to 133, your stats will go up to 135. Added on top of the Mahjarrat 5% damage boost, this gives us a very large overall damage increase. So in summary, if your kill is going to be 20 seconds or less, meaning that the whole kill is within the Berserk ability, then your best option will be using a Super Wall Master Potion, a Dragon Battle Axe spec and the Berserk Blood Essence to boost your strength level up to 135. And remember to combine this with the Mahjarrat aura for 5% extra damage. Now that I've explained how and why we do this, I'm going to explain how to use it in practice. You'll want to Super Restore to ensure you have no drained stats, drink your Super Wall Master Potion, raising all of your combat stats, use your Dragon Battle Axe special attack, which will increase your strength level. You're then going to sip your Supreme Attack Potion to make sure your attack level is also high. Then, when you're ready for the boss fight, activate your Berserk Blood Essence. This will give you 133 attack and 135 strength. Remember after activation to equip your other pocket slot item such as a grimoire. Hopefully this explains everything, and if you have any questions let me know.